Alright, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. So, not gonna really be doing too much talking on this video. As y'all know, we're doing the Coyote swap on a 67 F100. Getting ready to put the clutch on the motor, basically getting the motor ready to go inside of the truck. We are running the RST clutch from Mcleod, along with it's the full kit. It has the whole flywheel, pressure plate, everything that goes with it. The only thing is you will have to get a new throwout bearing. So we got the Ford Racing one, fresh Ford Racing Coyote flywheel bolts, since those are torque to yield. Then I don't know if you can catch it in the camera, you probably can, but got these bolts that I custom made to basically help guide the transmission in once I do it. I know the dowel pins, they do help, but this kind of basically this is like almost necessary, especially when you're doing it by yourself like me, that when you putting the transmission in, you don't want the input shaft to like bend or mess up the pilot bearing. So it just helps even everything going into the motor, and it's almost kind of like a fail safe. So works on two different aspects. Just help line everything up. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk really too much on this one. I'm probably gonna do the whole speed up that y'all see everybody else do. You know, like I said before, I'm just taking y'all along with the journey. It's not really a how-to video or anything like that, and we'll see how this series go and see if it's something I want to keep doing on YouTube. If not, it's on to the next. But as always, this footage will stay up like all my other videos do. Yes, I doubt it. I don't know if it'll get it in the camera. Clean that up. I use like that. All you use like that. Just one on here. On every time I put it, I put it on the oh boy, you have to wait. But it's super low. Bring this back. Super deep. I got rid of it. That's the rest. Easy enough. And it's a race. I got it. That's the rest of that. So the pilot bearing already changed that. One of the first things. I actually probably wouldn't have caught this on camera, but when we first ordered this clutch, it was the splines on it were messed up. I don't know if somebody tried to like beat it on. Either they tried to beat it on or it was just a manufacturing defect, but I could tell it was a returned flywheel. All the flywheels look like they already have been Like the bolts look like it had already been tried to be tightened down. But I guess it's a good thing, because after that, that's when I really made the decision that I want to record as much as I can doing this. I know I'm not going to record everything. That's what you gotta love about tech. So the way I'm gonna do it, they asked for, I believe it's 65. It's between 65 to 70 foot-pounds or something like that. And then they want you to like do a small. I know some people frown upon doing stuff your own way. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the sequence with this small Milwaukee gun. I'm not gonna hit it too much. Get it hit on there evenly, then just go and torque it. It's a two-step process. Move forward. I think it's like 160 inch-pounds or something like that. Something real small. So that's what I'm gonna just go through, just tap them real quick just to get everything in there. That way, once I come back with the torque wrench, just torque it. And that's my two-part process. Really, it's three-part, but we use the gun. But that's it. And so the cool part, as far as this, is that I can leave this here. Actually, I'm gonna take that off. First one fly inside, make sure it's clean. First fly with. Just like that, that's smooth. You're supposed to go. Last one I did was you just fly with kick. Okay. Right, see if we can get this thing lined up. There you go. I'll leave this one on so I can just transmission's in. Now I'm about to get the starter in. And we should be good to go. Also got to torque down the bell housing.
Thanks for watching.